Homeowners, what are the 5 best home renovations you can do with a future resale in mind? Hi, I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty in San Jose, California. As a homeowner looking to sell, you may be wondering what home improvements can be done to help maximize your return on your investment. Well, let's take a look. Painting colors. Color is one of the most basic, appealing ways to improve your space without breaking the bank. When choosing a color, it is always best to go with neutral colors. Curb appeal. We all know making a first impression is key. It is all about creating an inviting and visual appealing exterior to captivate everyone's passing by. That is why having the exterior of your home updated with light paint and landscaping. All of these improvements will help evaluate your curb appeal. Ongoing maintenance. Home maintenance and repairs are crucial to ensure the value of your home. If you are unwilling to take on the repairs yourself, hire a professional. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards not only when you live there, but also when it goes on the market. Kitchen and bathrooms. Although these two spaces can get costly to renovate, they're often the first area that buyers critique and scrutinize when buying a home. They do not need to spend thousands of dollars to renovate. Simply things like updating the cabinets or appliances and adding new fixtures can add value. Scent. Make sure your home passes the smell test. No one likes a smelly home. Make sure your carpet stays clean and maintained. No exterior garbage or anything that may create odor. Please reach out to my team and I so we can help assist and guide you through this even challenging market. I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty, helping you make the right move.